Hello everyone, it's Catherine here from the OET. I hope you are having a brilliant day. Welcome to our Let's Learn Phonics series, where we help teach your children how to read. So we're going to start off with our very first Phase 2 phonics. And in this video, we're going to focus on just the first 6 phonetic sounds. So make sure to stick by so that you can go through this lesson with your children at home and help them learn these 6 sounds and 2 sight words to begin learning to read. Okay, so within the first Phase 2 phonetic sounds, there's quite a few different sounds. This is a lot for a young child, maybe between ages 3 to 6, to take in and learn in one big lump. So we're going to break these sounds down into shorter sections to help your child learn to read. We're going to focus on the first 6 sounds. S, a, t, p, I, n. So make sure your child is ready and watching as we take them through and teach them these sounds and how to blend these sounds together to start reading words. First, it's our sound practice. So 6 sounds we are learning today. S, a, t, p, I, n. Our first sound, s, s, sun. And our chant for today, S is for snake. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. S, s, the snake is in the grass. Now let's try that chant together. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. S, s, the snake is in the grass. Well done. Let's practice our sound with 3 words. S, s is for sun. S is for snake. S is for salad. Well done with learning your first phonetic sound. S. Now for sound 2. A, a. Apple. Apple. You try. A. We of course have a chant for the sound a. Well, this time it's an ant on my arm. Are you ready? First time, listen to the chant. Second time, join in with me. A, ant on my arm. A, ant on my arm. A, ant on my arm. They're causing me alarm. Ah! Now this time, sing along with me. Are you ready? A, ant on my arm. A, ant on my arm. A, ant on my arm. They're causing me alarm. Ah! Well done joining in with our chant. 3 words that start with the sound a. A is for apple. A is for ant. A is for axe. 2 sounds down, 4 to go. Our next sound is t, 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 tiger, t, tiger. You try. Tiger. We have our very own chant for the t, t sound. When I watch the tennis game, t, 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 t. When I watch the tennis game, my head goes back and forth. You try. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. When I watch the tennis game, t, 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 t. When I watch the tennis game, my head goes back and forth. Well done. Chant number 3, all finished. 3 words that start with our sound. T, t is for tiger. T is for tea. T is for table. Our next sound of the day is p, 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 pig. P, pig. You try. Pig. See if you can join in with me with our p sound chant. Puff out the candles on the pink pig cake. P, 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 p. Puff out the candles on the pink pig cake. Puff, puff, puff. Now your turn. Sing along with me. Puff out the candles on the pink pig cake. Puff, 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 puff. Puff out the candles on the pink pig cake. Puff, puff, puff. Well done, you. Let's look at 3 words to help us practice this new sound today. P is for pig. P is for pink. P is for puppy. 2 more sounds to go. I, I, igloo. Your turn. I, igloo. What's our chant? Look, it's about a mouse. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink it spread all over the desk. Inky's wet. Oh no, what a silly mouse. Can you try and sing along with me? Ready? Let's go. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink, it spread all over the desk. Inky's wet. Well done, you. You are doing amazing today. Keep going. 3 words to practice our new sound. I. I is for igloo. I is for insect. I is for ink. And our last sound for today's video. Nest. Nest. Is for nest. You try. Nest. But what's our chant? It's the noise an aeroplane makes. Can you make the sound of an aeroplane? Well done. Hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Making lots of noise. Sing along with me this time. And make sure you have your aeroplane wings out. Whoa! Hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Making lots of noise. Well done. And last, our 3 words to practice our new sound. Is for nest. Is for 9. Is for nut. Well done, you! Fantastic! You now know 6 sounds to help you learn to read. For all that hard work, let's play a game. I'm going to show you a picture, and I want you to tell me what sound it starts with. Are you ready? Oh, apple. Apple. What sound is that for apple? Ah, ah. Well done if you got it right at home. Ah is for apple. Shall we look at another one? See if you know this sound. What's the first sound you hear? Tiger. Tiger. What's that sound? Tiger. T, of course. T, t, t is for tiger. Bravo at home. Let's do another video. Oh, I can see a nest. Nest. What's that first sound? Nest. Of course. Do you remember our aeroplane? Is for nest. Well done, you. You're working hard today. Let's look at another one. Oh, I see an igloo. Igloo. What's that sound? Igloo. I is the first sound. I is for igloo. Well done if you got that one at home. That was a tricky one. Let's see what's next. Oh, it's a snake. Snake. What sound can you hear first? Snake. Of course. S is for snake. Well done, everyone. Let's take a look at another one. Oh, I can see a puppy. Puppy. What sound comes first? Puppy. Of course. Do you remember we puffed out the candles on the pink pig cake? P is for puppy. Well done, everybody at home. You are amazing readers already. Super listening to your sounds to hear what came first. Now it's time to put those sounds together. So this is where we start to learn how to read. So listen first, then read along with me. Here's our first word. At. 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 You try. At. 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 Well done so far. Let's try some more. 3 sounds. S. At. S. At. Get your hands ready. S. At. Sat. Sat. Well done. Sat. Let's try another one. At. P. At. Hands ready? P. At. Pat. 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 Well done, everyone. You are super listeners. Try this one now. At. At. With the hands. At. Nat. Nat. Brilliant reading at home. Let's try some more of our sounds together. Ah. An. 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 This word is an. Super reading. Okay, 3 letters now. N. A. N. N. A. N. N. A. N. Nan. 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 Brilliant job at home. Let's try a new word. P. A. N. P. A. N. Get those hands. P. A. N. Pan. 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 Did you get that one at home? That one was a bit of a tricky one. Well done if you did. Keep trying if you need a bit more help. Let's try this word. n. T, a, n. T, a, n. Tan. 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 Did you hear how we put the sounds together? Tan. Well done. You have read so many words already. Let's try some more letter combinations. It. 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 This word is it. S. It. S. It. S. It. Sit. It. Sit. Bravo at home. Well done, everyone. It. 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 Pit. Pit. This word is pit. How are you doing? Are you getting it so far? If not, don't worry. Keep practicing along with me. And if you need a bit longer, remember to pause the video and keep practicing the word until you're ready for the next one. Let's try this word. It. 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 Knit. Knit is this word. Well done at home. In. 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 This word is in. Did you get this one? Let's try a new one. Sin. 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 This word says sin. You're doing amazing reading at home. Keep up the good work. Let's try this word. In. 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 Pin. Did you hear them come together? Pin. Well done. Try this one. In. 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 Tin. 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 Keep up this fantastic work, everybody. You are super readers already. Sap. 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 Well done if you got that at home. If not, keep up the good work. Don't give up. Let's try this one. Nap. 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 Did you hear? Nap. Those letter sounds are coming together to make words. Well done, you. Last one now. T-ap. 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 Tap. 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 Whoa, you worked so hard reading those letter sounds along with me to read your very first words. Well done. Give yourself a pat on the back. Now it's time to put your hard work into practice. So I'm going to let you practice the word first, and then I will come in and help you. Have a go at this word. Remember to use your fingers for each sound and then gradually put them together to build your word. Have a go. If you need longer, make sure to pause the video now. This word says nap. nap, nap. The girl has a nap. Are you ready for word number 2? Have a go at this word. Remember to press pause so that you have longer to work on it if you need it. This word is tin. 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 I can open the tin. Well done. Word number 3. Pause the video so that you have time to read the word by yourself. And then listen to me to see if you're correct. This word says nan, 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 nan. The girl is cooking with her nan. Let's look at word number 4. Ooh, have a go yourself. Remember to pause the video. This word says sit, 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 sit. The boy can sit. Last one. Have a go and pause the video. When you're ready, come back. This word says at, 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 pat, pat. I can pat the dog. Bravo, everyone. You are working so hard on your reading skills today. I'm very proud of you. Now, I have 2 sight words. These are words that are really difficult, where you cannot sound them out. So we have to try and remember them as much as possible. Now, don't worry if you find this a struggle to begin with. That's okay. Everybody does. What's important is that you don't give up and you keep trying hard as best you can. And then it will become easier and easier, and you will know even more words. I only have 2 words for you today. The first word is I. 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 You try and read this word. I. Our second word is no. 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 You try and read this word. No. Now, I need your help. This piggy really wants to play in the mud. But the only way we can get that piggy to the mud is by reading each of these words. Do you think you can help me? Oh, great. I'm so glad because I do need a bit of help. What's that first word the piggy is underneath? Can you remember? Is it I or no? It's I, of course. Yes, well done. Oh, what's this second word? We had I, so now it's no. No. Oh, you must be right. The piggy was able to move. I know. Oh, what's word number 3? I know. I again. Well done. Oh, the piggy's nearly at the mud. Well done, you. I know. I know. It's no again. So this word must be no too. What's that last word? Let's see if we can go back and work them all out again. I know. I know. No. Is it no or I? Oh, can you help me? It's I! Yay! You helped the pig get into the mud. What amazing readers you are. So you have learned 6 sounds today and 2 sight words. That's another pat on the back. Bravo, bravo, bravo. Well done, you. So now, finally, our last activity. we need to put everything together that we have learned today. So we're going to read some sentences together. Are you up for the challenge? I think you are. You've already worked so hard during this lesson. I think you are ready to read a whole sentence. And don't worry if you're feeling a little worried, because I'm here to hold your hand and make sure we can read it together. Let's look at our first sentence. Oh, look. Okay, so it's a sight word. Can you remember, is it I or no? I. Let's practice this word. Sat. Sat. So the whole sentence, I sat. I sat. Did you get it? Well done for all your efforts and trying your best. Let's have a go at another one. It's the same sight word again. So what word was that in red? I. Well done you. Let's practice our sound word. Tap. 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 The sentence, I tap. I tap. Brilliant job so far. Let's look at our third sentence. Okay, this is a different sight word. It's not I. What was our other word? No. No. That's right. No. Let's look at our sound word. Nan. Nan. All together. No. Nan. No. Nan. No. Nan. Well done. You are super readers. Okay, 3 more sentences to do. It's not that bad, is it? Oh, okay. No sight words. All words to sound. So let's look at word 1. Pin. 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 Word 2. It. 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 Pin it. Pin it. What's number 3? Nan. Do you remember from earlier? Nan. Nan. Pin it nan. Pin it nan. Pin it nan. Nice reading, everyone. 2 more to go. It's a sight word. Is it I or no? I, no. No. The word is no. Let's look at our next word. Sit. 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 No. Sit. What's number 3? Nan. Nan. No. Sit. Nan. What's that last word? Can you see it's the same as number 2? Sit. 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 No. Sit. Nan. Sit. No. Sit. Nan. Sit. Super reading, everyone. You have 1 more sentence to go. Okay, it's a sight word. I know. Which word is it? I know. Let's see. It's I. I. What's word number 2? At. At. Pat. Pat. I pat. Number 3. Nan. Nan. I pat Nan. Number 4. Nap. nap, 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 nap. I pat, nan, nap. I pat, nan, nap. Wowee! Guess what? It's time to celebrate! Well done! A high five! Psh, psh. You are amazing readers. I am so proud of your hard work today. What superb listening! And you practiced 6 sounds today and 2 sight words. We learnt the sounds s, a, t, p, I, n. And the 2 words I know. And you put everything together at the end to read whole sentences. You should be very proud of yourself. A double pat for your excellent effort. Now remember to subscribe to our channel so that you can come back for our next session with our Let's Learn Phonics lessons. And you can practice even more sounds from phases 2, 3, 4, and 5 and learn more sight words to be able to put everything together to help you improve your reading. But for now, that is all from me, Catherine, from the OET. Thank you very much for joining me in today's class. I hope to see you very soon. And remember your pat on the back for your excellent reading. Goodbye for now. Bye.